Attending martial arts lessons in Keller. Attending martial arts lessons in Keller is now just as good as attending martial arts lesson anywhere else where they are available, if not better, especially if the aim is to maintain the same standards as peak performance MMA practitioners of recent times reach. Keller has a martial arts scene which can rival some of the best in the world, with a lot of different service providers offering the classes, in a number of different venues throughout the city, making it convenient to bring the international standard closer to home and experience it without having to cross any borders. So attending martial arts lessons in Keller is just as good as attending them anywhere else. The rise in the standard of martial arts lessons available locally can be largely attributed to the desire of practitioners to get the real deal, honing their skills to levels where they can compete at professional levels, often matching those depicted in peak performance MMA setups. Martial arts is probably the best starting point for getting into any form of combat sports, offering a lot of safety, a structured developmental regime, and an overall effective fighting style, which can be used effectively in combat and self-defense. Martial arts classes are often divided up according to a number of factors, of which the most important considerations are skill levels, levels of competitiveness, and how much and how quickly participants intend to progress in their field. Beginners classes are often much bigger than those of intermediate and expert fighters, largely due to the increased level of personalized specialization which is needed as one moves up the ranks. In most cases, the beginners will be taught the basic of martial arts in an environment that doesn't intimidate them, yet one which is competitive and professional enough to facilitate the development of their skills, with the aim of advancing to the next level. The groups get smaller and smaller as the ranks go higher and higher, especially amongst those martial arts clubs with classes that have participants who are serious about their craft, since a lot more focus has to go into targeting specific areas of interest. Often, instructors develop some sort of relationship with their students, which naturally goes down to a more personal level, as the best instructors are good at talent identification and talent management, able to spot the individual strengths of their students and develop training programs around those strengths. Traditional moves, methods, and techniques become a lot more effective if incorporated with the individual fighter's unique style, which is why a lot more one-on-one focus is very much a necessity, as this is the best way in which fighters can develop in a distinguished manner. You can contact Paul Hom, 133 Sports Parkway Suite, H. Keller, Texas 76248, or you can call 817-614-9325 or visit www.peakbjj.com.